Hi, this is Brea from ClickTime, here to answer your questions about our platform. Today, we received the following inquiry. Hi support, I need my project managers to assign work, approve hours, and view financial reports, but they shouldn't see projects they aren't managing. How can I set this up in ClickTime? Great question. First, let me explain what a project manager is in ClickTime, and then I'll show you how to customize permissions in the platform. So let's get started. A project manager is an employee assigned to lead an individual project. You can only assign one PM for each project in ClickTime. Appointing a project manager does not automatically grant them the ability to allocate hours, approve hours, or run reports. You can grant those additional permissions along with others on an individual basis. You can also limit project managers to viewing only the projects they manage. Project limited managers cannot approve employee timesheets. Now that you know the basics, let's dive into the platform to see how you can set up project limited manager permissions. First, head to the People tab, click on the Edit Pencil icon next to your employee, and jump to the Security and Permissions section of the Person Details page. If your employee is a standard user, you'll need to assign them manager permissions. Then, click the checkbox in the Project Management section. This will limit which projects they can see. Scroll down the page to configure additional permissions. Next, you'll need to choose which projects this employee will manage. To do this, head to the Project tab, click the Edit Pencil icon next to the project you wish to assign, and jump to the Project Manager section. Here, you can assign your PM. As a note, any employee with managerial permissions can be assigned as a PM, regardless of whether or not they have project limited restrictions. If your organization has the Project Approvals feature activated in the Preferences tab, you can also indicate whether the project manager should approve project hours. If you'd like to quickly see every project manager assigned across your portfolio, head back to the Projects tab, click the Columns dropdown, and mark the Project Manager checkbox. So that's it, how to assign project limited managers in ClickTime. If you'd like more info, click the link in the video description below or email us at support@clicktime.com. Have a great day.